Hey, so if you need a hotel quickly and want to find last-minute deals on Booking.com, yeah, you can actually save a lot of money if you know where to look. In this guide, I'll show you how to book last-minute hotels on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, open the Booking.com app or website and sign into your account. Now type the city or area where you need a hotel. Choose today's date or your immediate travel dates to search for available last-minute stays. Click Search to see hotels still available for last-minute booking. Sort results by lowest price to quickly find cheaper last-minute options. Some hotels offer special discounts to fill empty rooms at the last minute. Use filters like free cancellation, review score, or breakfast included to narrow your search. Before booking, always check guest reviews and hotel location carefully. Choose your room, enter your details, and confirm the reservation. After booking, save the confirmation email and hotel address for quick check-in. And yeah, that's it. That's how you book last-minute hotels on Booking.com quickly and safely.